Hey, what's going on, guys? ROTGclutch here, and today, guys, I'll be showing you guys my finished video on the computer. Alright, so here we go. Alright, here is the front. I got this thing for Wi-Fi connectivity. It's pretty good. And then, front of the case, CD drive, some more drives, SD drive, and some drives right here for the hard drives and stuff. So, right here, got some other things. This way. Power thing. This is the back. I got my lovely stickers on here. I got a G School, EVGA, and then my i7 sticker. There's the back. Alright, now to the back of the case. There, we got some fingering holes again. And then, some more stuff. And then, yeah, power supply. Onto the side, around here, this is the coolest part right here, guys. And so here's the side of it. You got the window inside there. You got blue LEDs right now. Headset holder. And yeah, so the cool thing about the lights, guys, is first up here, you can change the fans to high, low. I have it on high right now. And so the fans, alright, we got blue. We got green. We got red, which looks sexiest, I think. And then we got the party colors, right? We got blue, green, red, and yeah, just like that, party colors, right? So we'll leave it on red. That's how I like it. And then, show you guys the inside of the case. Here we go. Alright, so this thing shuts off, so it connects to right there, if you guys can see that. And then here we go. My friend Jake helped me out with the cords and everything. If you saw my video before, it's really messy and stuff, but it worked. But right now, it's even better. So here we go. Power supply right here. Some cords. And some more cords. And you guys, hold on. I'm going to get a flashlight quick, so I'll be back. Walk over here. Case full of stuff over here. Got the flashlight. Alright, here we go inside. Going in. Alright. Flashlight. Alright, so right here, got the power supply cords. Got some more cords looped through the back, which is the back's cluster of cords. But that's how it's supposed to be, so we're not going to go back there. And motherboard right here, I got the stock fan. I'm going to get a water cooling fan or thing soon. And so I got two DIMMs of 8. Collect at 21, 33 megahertz. And then fan, power supply, graphics card 660 Ti. Pretty sweet, pretty awesome. i7 377K. Yeah, basically CD. Hard drive down there. Fan thing right there. And that's about it, guys. So pretty sweet computer. It's running awesome right now. And I actually go over here, show you guys my games and stuff. But yeah, I just built this basically last night. Got all the cords good and got everything installed. So this is a ready computer, ready to go. I just bought the live streaming. Also, this is my downstairs setup, so it's really bad. That's just in the middle of the room, just to show you guys the computer. Anyways, over here, got the Razer Imperator, and then keyboard, crap keyboard, laptop, and then Lakesis. So this is just momentarily set up down here when I have friends over and stuff, like I said, and stuff like that. So you see, we got XSplit for live streaming. Close that down. Alright, so here's the games. We got Arma 2. We got Arma Operation Arrowhead Beta, Borderlands 2, Black Ops 2, Black Ops 2 Multiplayer, Black Ops 2 Zombies, NW3, World at War, Counter-Strike Global Offense, and Counter-Strike Source, Beta, Vegas, or Fallout New Vegas, Killing Floor, Max Payne 1, Max Payne 2, Payday, and then Trials. Alright, so there's the games for now. I got Battlefield 3 on the other computer. But anyways, guys, so I got X-Story, or actually I got Assassin's Creed 3, and that's on the Uplay store, but so I got DX Story for recording, and so we're all set up. I'm gonna get a new headset. Got the Kacharius right here, and then that's about it, guys. There's a bunch of crap right there. And this over here is a beautiful, sexy thing. Alright, so that's the end of the setup video, guys. My next setup video will probably be around 100 subs, and that'll be upstairs in my room, the main setup where it's usually at. It's usually just down here if I have a friend over, or right now because I had lots of boxes everywhere. My room's not small, but it's smaller, and can't hold 20 boxes. So here we go, last thing of the computer. Goodbye. And then there we go. And then yep, full case right there. Pretty awesome. This is the retard LED right here. It doesn't match up with that once I close the door, so I'll have to get that fixed. Well, it fixes in like 10 seconds, but yeah. So anyways, guys, there's the computer. Pretty awesome. I love it. Runs perfectly fine. And it's a beast of a computer. So thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you later.